Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is the three competitive factors that impact only internet sales and market shares in a region include the number of model styles each company has designed and developed for exclusive sale and its website current year's spending per footwear model for new features and the stylings of those branded models sell only the online shoppers. The appeals of the videos, pictures, and commentary of the celebrities who are under contract to endorse company branded footwear that are posted prominently that numerous locations on the company website. The SQ ratings of the branded footwear being sold at the each company website. Expenditures for search engines advertising. The correct answer of the question is the three competitive factors that impact only internet sale and market shares in a regions are the numbers of model styles each company has designs and developed for exclusive sales at its websites. Current year spending per footwear model for new features and styling of those branded models sold only to online shoppers. Expenditures for e-search engines advertising. These factories directly influence online sales and market shares by affecting product variety, attractiveness, and visibility in online searches. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and our sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.